Hello friend, welcome back to Isaac Code YouTube channel, where you can get some web development videos based on a project or tutorial. So as you see in my computer screen, I have some best project that I have built with ReactJS. So as you see, it's very cool with best user interface. So it's only to render data. So I have this some navigation here. So you see we have tab that contain all food, we have a tab that contain breakfast food, we have a tab that contain lunch food, and we have tab that contain shakes food. So if we click on all, it will render or show or display all food we have in our application. If we go on breakfast tab, let's click. Now you see change. So it displays all the food that you can eat or take as a breakfast. As you see, we have the wheat, buttermilk, we have a bacon overflow. You see, this is only that you can take as a breakfast, or this is the kind of breakfast food. If we move on lunch, we will get the food or the food that are in the category of lunch. You see, let's move to shakes. Now you will see the food for shakes. You see, my friend, this is a best React course. It's a best project. So if you are running React, if you want to be a best React developer, you have to build some like a cool stuff, like a cool project like this. So my friend, as you see, when we back on all, will display everything from our project. Also, this project is very cool. If you need the source code for this project, so I need you in the comment below the data. And also, this is the main that render our app. This is the our this our app here. No, sorry. Sorry. Our app is this that contain the project component. So my friend, if you need this project, please write in the comment below, and I will see you after I will give you the source code for this project. As you see, it's a best project with best user interface. It's on ReactJS with CSS. So you see, yeah, thank you so much. So please, my friend, if you are new to my YouTube channel as I code, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment in order to get. I have a more project. If you need more project, if you need a tutorial for this project, please write in the comment below. Thank you so much.